Humans are tethered. Every single person on this planet, your phone, your car, your laptop, you are a slave to a technology that hasn't fundamentally changed since the 90s. We have accepted that batteries are heavy, that they catch fire, and that they leak energy. We have been told this is just physics. Well, what if I told you that a single stock is about to prove physics wrong? And we're not talking about AI, we're talking about the solid revolution. Current batteries are basically chemical soup. There is a liquid inside called electrolyte. It's heavy, it's flammable, and it's slow. To keep it safe, cars need a massive expensive cooling system. That's why your EV is so heavy. But look at QuantumScape and Solid Power. They've done the impossible. They've removed the liquid. They've replaced it with a solid ceramic separator. Now this might sound boring until you realise the one change that this makes to the battery. It's 100% safer, it's 50% lighter, and it charges in the time it takes you to grab a coffee. Now this is where it gets mind-bending. At first, this is for the rich. It's for the $200,000 electric supercar that can cross the continent without stopping. But technology always drips down. When these batteries hit mass production, the cooling systems disappear. The weight disappears. Suddenly, we're not talking about cars, we're talking about electric aviation. Think about the offspring of this technology. Because if we solve energy density, short-haul jet engines become obsolete. The noise at the airport? Gone. Costs of flights? Slashed. We're talking about a world where energy isn't something that you manage. It's something that exists everywhere, perfectly stored. But here's the secret. The battle for battery isn't just being fought by the startups. It's being fought by the shadow titans. While everybody watches the news for the next QS headline, smart money is flowing into Idemitsu Kosan. But they aren't a battery company. They're a 100-year-old Japanese energy giant that just broke ground on a massive pilot plant to produce the solid electrolyte that Toyota needs to win. And then there's Guangdong JiaYuan. These are the arms dealers of the battery war. Whether QuantumScape wins or Toyota wins, they both get the materials from the shadows. So this isn't sci-fi anymore. QuantumScape is already shipping Alpha 2 cells into car giants like Volkswagen. Solid Power has BMW in their corner. That data point where these batteries outlast the car itself is actually happening in labs. We are at the shadow phase where the general public is still distracted by AI, while the very foundation of how we move is being rebuilt at a molecular level. The world right now is terrible at energy storage, until one day it isn't. Keep an eye on solid state. This is how we break the tether. This is Sundance from My Stock Harbor. I'll see you in the future.